Okay, right, again, similar thing here, Unit 301, Assignment 2. Okay, now look at how this assignment is done, because you need to apply this for yourself, and it has to be your own work. Okay. And again, remember that this will apply to 311. Now again, you need to read this for yourselves. Make sure that you understand what it's asking you to actually do. And again, remember that all the parts of this is applicable. Okay? Sorry, let me just make sure that I've got that right. And again, all this again is applicable for Unit 311. So make sure you have complied with that. Make sure you provide photograph evidence for each piece of work. Make sure that you use the qualified electrician who is your supervisor or your trainer. He can be your professional witness. Okay? Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Bye-bye.